Hey YouTube, I got a 2003 Honda Civic, and well, I installed this Kenwood a while back and it was working perfectly, but it just started turning off and on randomly on its own. So I had a few tips from other people. Most of them told me to directly connect my ground from my radio to the chassis, which I'm still learning a little bit, but which I think somewhere there. I mean, I screwed it in and everything, but it's still not working. I don't know if it's that gap of plastic right there, or I don't know, because I checked the fuses, nothing's blown. And I don't know, I'm getting frustrated. I'm going to school like half asleep. One time I almost got in an accident because there was no music playing. Just help me out. Try to get this running back up. And the power source is on too. Everything's still good. I don't know.